Salmon, mac and cheese. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a large saucepan of boiling water, cook the SILVERBEET for 5 minutes or until wilted. Drain and set aside to cool. Cook the pasta in a large saucepan of boiling water for 10 minutes or until al dente. Drain and place in a large bowl. Add the salmon, spring onion, pasta sauce and cream to the pasta. Give it a gentle stir until it's combined. Now for the crispy crumb. Combine the breadcrumbs, lemon zest, thyme, oil and parmesan in a bowl. Stir until it's well combined. Spoon a third of the pasta mixture into an oven-proof dish. Add half of the SILVERBEET in an even layer over the pasta. Repeat with the remaining pasta mixture and the SILVERBEET. Sprinkle a crispy crumb over the pasta mixture and bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden. Add a green salad to the side, and dinner is served.